Hi guys, I'm gonna make Mexican brownies. I'm following a recipe from Pinterest. I'm gonna do half of what it is because I don't have enough of the things. So I melted coconut oil and chocolate, like cooking chocolate. It asks for half of a cup of coconut or butter, 3 tablets of cooking chocolate. Sorry, I'm translating. It's a Spanish recipe. And 4 eggs, quarter of a cup of sugar, like any kind of sugar. I'm using coconut sugar. A quarter of a teaspoon of salt, sea salt. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 1.5 of almond. I'm not sure about the word for it. It's the leftover of the almonds once you've made your almond milk. In Spanish is bagazo. What else? Oh, a cup of nuts, like walnuts. So I'm doing half of that. The ingredients, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and put the I'm sorry, geez, hang on. Yeah, we're gonna do the eggs. So they asked for 4, but I'm using 2. Doesn't really say to do, and you do it after each addition, like whip it after each addition. It just says to put the eggs, the sugar, salt, sea salt. So I'm putting, well, I put 2 eggs, half of that, it's 2 eggs, an eighth of a teaspoon of sugar, quarter of a teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. That's for Mexican vanilla, but it doesn't matter. That would be 1 teaspoon for me. There you go. And the mixture of the coconut oil and chocolate. I need to get a spatula, get the rest of that. You melted that together, obviously. I did it in the pot. But imagine you could do it in the microwave if you like. This happened to be, this chocolate happened to be a Mexican chocolate I bought when I went to Mexico. There we go. Now we're going to whip it. Leftover of what you have from after making your almond milk, which I happen to do. I did this morning. So when you do a cup of almonds to make for your milk, the leftover is exactly what they ask for in this recipe. It's 1.5 cups, but I'm doing half of that, which is 3/4 of a cup. There we go. Mix that in. We're gonna scrape. And that's it. That's all the ingredients. Very simple. This is my first time doing this, so we'll see how it turns out. We are going to put it in a mold, in a baking dish. It calls for the original recipe, it calls for a 7x7. And line it with a parchment paper. But I don't have any, I'm always substituting. So I'm using wax paper. I guess they just want you to use something so it doesn't stick. Easy to take out. Smells delicious. There we go. We're just gonna spread it a little bit. You can't see it. And then we're going to sprinkle the walnuts on top, it says. Let's see. Yeah, just sprinkle them on top. I did half of it, so I think it was a quarter of it. It doesn't matter, I guess, just a little bit. As much as you want. Scrape the rest of that in. There you go. We're gonna put it in a 350-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And then you have to let it cool for 20 minutes at least before you dig into it. And that's it.